Hey, what is going on, my XRP holders? Hope you guys are having yourselves a fantastic day today as usual. Sorry I left you guys hanging for a couple of days. XRP was just doing the typical mid-pump boring activity before continuing the pump, and it was my birthday weekend. Your boy Cobb is now officially 23 years old, knocking on the door of halfway to 50 years old. God dang. But anyways, that does mark my official 6 years in the XRP game, and I'm just really stoked to come out and make a video for you guys today because we got the cryptocurrency market cap knocking on the door of 1.25 trillion. Bitcoin breaking 29K. Ethereum getting very close to that 2K. But now XRP, only up 0.97% on the day, 51 cents. Nothing, crazy exciting about that, right? Well, I think you might be wrong if you are thinking in that field of perception. But on the weekly chart, so as you guys know, the most recent run up, this big gigantic candle from the 44 cent to the basically 60 cents per coin, going after this major resistance level back here. As you guys know, that is like essentially we break this level, we are on our way to all-time high. We are starting the path to getting to, XRP price discovery. So since we had the almost 24-hour stream I did for you guys, made about 15 hours there, since then XRP in the week has not really been doing all that much. XRP has been floating the 50-cent range very nicely, not dumping too hard off it, not pumping too hard off it, getting some nice consolidation here. So I just got to tell you guys with the update on the weekly chart, that whole quadruple bottom zone kind of breakout. I know it's not a perfect quadruple bottom, but when you really zoom it out to all-time, price perception, it's essentially, I consider it a quadruple bottom when technically it really just is a double bottom with a trend of higher lows. Or I don't even know what exactly you're supposed to call this, but you know how it is, guys. It's basically, I don't know, double bottom. It's like two very strong zones of support. Whatever you want to call it, the market absolutely just fucking loved this level. Ripped it from 34 all the way to 60, nearly doubling price in just about 2 weeks. But since then, we have, since we came off of the big resistance range, what has XRP been doing? Okay, so the sellers decide to take control of the 60-cent region. They love those prices for selling. The day traders, the leverage traders, swing traders, those guys that are in the markets, at days, weeks at a time, they want to get out to make profit. Clearly, I mean, buying the demand 36 cents and selling at the resistance for 58 cents. I mean, that's good money right there for the traders, right? But if you're, holding XRP in the sense of the way we hold XRP, it's like we're not looking to double our money here. We're going for the big, 100x, 500x moonshot. We're going for those big gains, right? Those life-changing moves that you can catch one in a lifetime. Now, XRP on the weekly chart here, of course, we got the sell-off from, the near 58 cent or the near 60 cent prices all the way down to 52. The XRP sellers tried to bring us out of the 50 range all the way down to about 48 cents. Market immediately says absolutely no, and it now looks like we are gearing up for another move to where we'll be seeing $1 per XRP this month. So if we want to kind of put it into very simple terms here to make it, make as most sense as possible, we have the big impulse move. And then, we went a little bit higher, and then the market just thought, you know what, this is way too fast. We got to cool down. This is a big resistance. We got to stop here for a little bit, right? So the market brings us down a little bit. And then for the following week, the sellers, I mean, they really did absolutely just nothing. I mean, absolutely nothing. When you look at this, gigantic vertical just power move to the resistance zone, and then the sellers, that's what they end up doing. They're basically kind of feeding into us to allow us to keep pumping even further. This right here is, creating a foundation for the market, giving traders, investors, speculators the confidence that this is indeed going to be going up higher and breaking that strong 60-cent region. So now what we have is big power move, absolute pathetic activity by the sellers, and now we are essentially in this, I would like to say, a coin flip mode. We're kind of into a coin flip mode right here where, of course the price could definitely, hey, it's possible price could go down, but hey, this is XRP we're talking about here in a bull market, I would like to say, since Bitcoin's, halfway back to all-time high. So we're kind of in this coin flip scenario here where the market is kind of waiting for either the buyers or the sellers to take control massively in a certain direction, if that makes sense. Like, for example, if the whales want to step in, they want to, launch some FUD campaign, crash the whole market, lawsuits, whatever, market's crashing. Like, if they want to go ahead and take control, they can do that here. But the fact that we have this just amazing, just perfect, just an absolute uppercut to one of the strongest resistance levels in XRP history, and the fact that the sellers decide to do almost nothing, I believe we're kind of in this coin flip scenario where it's really just going to be a game of first come, first serve. Whoever wants to take control first, that's the way the market's going to go. So if you want to get into a little bit more of the smaller charts here, like the 4-hour XRP chart, I mean, we got a big resistance flipping into support right there, and XRP is playing it perfectly. Very nice, coiling, tight consolidation. Look, I'm not an expert technical analysis by any means, but I'm just saying that is some very nice, tight, coiling consolidation at a previous resistance level, flipping into support. And maybe this is a big, gigantic coincidence, but if you do pull up the Fibonacci retrace here, from the most recent swing low to swing high, XRP decides to perfectly play the 618 Fibonacci golden retrace level. Fellas, yes, I do believe we are going higher. I mean, realistically, I believe it's a coin flip, but with my XRP investor bias deep within my soul, I believe we are going higher. Not to mention Bitcoin going for a crazy 4-hour structure break happening live as I am shooting this video here. You zoom out to the Bitcoin daily chart. Bitcoin is absolutely ripping it, trying to fill the gaps. And oh my God, the gaps just keep going all the way up to that, 39K Bitcoin, 46K Bitcoin. Zoom out to the weekly chart here. It's very clear that Bitcoin is going for the mega push and is going to fill the gaps all the way to damn near all-time high. And you know what XRP is going to do if Bitcoin gets back to those regions. So, fellas, basically, moral of the story here, the same kind of thought process we're going on with the top 3 OG cryptocurrencies. You have Ethereum playing an old all-time high, breaking out. You have Bitcoin playing an old all-time high range, which it did find a double bottom, then it broke down, scanned, market sent it back up. Ethereum playing old all-time high, Bitcoin playing old all-time high, and XRP decides to actually get a quadruple bottom on its own old all-time high, which leads me to believe, I think we're going to see the whole market kind of surge here just at one time. Look, there's the old XRP all-time high. Get the perfect horizontal dotted line here. I mean, that's where the fucking launch pad is. So, I'm not saying just XRP is going to pump. Probably going to be Bitcoin, XRP, Ethereum, and a handful of other altcoins, microcaps kind of pumping along with it. But very clear here. I think we are going higher. I'm not guaranteeing that we're going to go back to all-time high, but that's it really, right now, that's what it looks like it's setting up to do. All right, that's what it looks like it's setting up to do. Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, all playing not the previous all-time high, but an older all-time high, all at the same time, all finding demand, all finding big surges, all cracking big resistances.